I just pulled up to the customer's place in my BMW i8. Their fridge is acting up today, so I'm here to check it out. Curious to see their reaction. Imagine a repair guy showing up in sport car. Here we go. We have a little place just for our tools. That's it. Here we go. Hello guys, we have dryer Maytag, so we are diagnostic it. The belt is broken. As you see, it's like turning freely, and I have this part with me. I'll change the belt if needed, rollers also. So we're taking this filter, unscrew this, use the screwer, push this, take it off. Okay, that's it. You can, as you see, there's no belt. This should be the belt. We are unplug it, starting to unscrew all these screwers, unplug these. When you take it off, just take up, so you can find here coins, keys, everything. So yeah, easy peasy. We're taking the old one, try to measure it the same. Great. We'll put it back here. So we have so this will come inside the fit. So yeah.
Great. Take this up on both sides. Put it back. Screw it back. Great. Another one. Great. Great. Put it back.
Okay. Okay, 6 minutes, $340.